Say hi. Say hi, cute guy. Hi, bud.
Hi. What else should we tell them?
Nice outfit, buddy. Yeah.
Are you wearing your brunching outfit? I'm going brunching.
You going to Georgetown brunch today? Yeah. You look very cute. Let's get out of that backlight, huh? Who's that guy?
What do you want to tell them? Da 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 da. Oh, that's not your word.
That's a fussy. Say hi. Okay, first foot.
Are you doing, sleepyhead? Are you a sleepyhead, Fred? Yeah. And a monkey, too. Come back. Come back, monkey. Come back, monkey. You want to show how big you are?
Wow.
Oh, so big.
Look at that big guy.
So big, so big, so big. What a big boy.